Most people think hitting a deer or another animal is a comprehensive claim, and most people are surprised to know it could be a collision claim. So let's talk about the difference between a comp and collision claim when you hit an animal. Hey there, it's Tia at Trailstone, and today we're going to talk about stupid insurance rules regarding hitting an animal. Sometimes insurance can be really confusing, and today we're going to talk about the difference between comprehensive and collision claims, and why does the insurance company care if you were to hit an animal. First, we'll use a deer in this example, God rest its soul, but this example applies to any animal like a cow or elk as well. So the question is from Tom in Flagstaff, Arizona. Is hitting a deer covered by comprehensive or collision coverage? And the answer, vehicle damage from hitting a deer is covered by your auto policy's comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive can cover damages to your car caused by events that are out of your control, like hitting a deer or other animal. So for your comprehensive coverage to actually cover the accident, your car must come in contact with the animal. Now, here are a couple of common scenarios that can occur here. First is you run into a deer or other animal on the road, or an animal runs into your car. What's not mentioned here? Well, we're assuming the deer is alive. And if the deer is alive and moving, this is generally considered a comprehensive collision. Wait, what are we talking about here? If the deer is dead and I hit it, then it's not a comprehensive claim? Well, yes, that's generally the case. So if you do hit a dead deer on the road, or if you swerve to avoid hitting a deer or other animal, and then hit another vehicle and collide with an object or overturn your car, this would be considered a collision claim, and you will need collision coverage to cover the damage to your vehicle. Okay, this sounds like it's some weird insurance rule, but what does it matter to me? I do have comprehensive and collision coverage, so my car will be repaired, right? If you have comprehensive and collision coverage on your insurance policy, then yes, your insurance should cover the claim. But here's the issue. Remember, hitting a live deer is a comprehensive claim, and hitting a dead deer is a collision claim. Most insurance companies will increase your rates at your renewal for a collision claim more than a comprehensive claim. So collision claims are generally considered at-fault accidents, where comprehensive claims are considered not at fault. So please don't be upset with me for sharing this information. These are kind of crazy insurance rules in my mind. I just wanted to share this to help you understand how insurance companies work and to help you keep your rates as low as possible. Here at Trailstone Insurance Group, we understand these crazy insurance issues and will always help you find the best rates and coverages that are available. Please reach out to us if you want a better insurance experience, and remember, don't settle for less than the best. Until next time.